Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add DaVinci Resolve to NVIDIA GeForce Experience with a complete guide. Let's get started. First, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience on your computer. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Then click on the Games and Apps tab. At the bottom, click on Scan Now to let GeForce Experience automatically detect DaVinci Resolve. If it doesn't detect it, click on Add and manually browse to the DaVinci Resolve executable file. The default location is usually C. Program Files and Blackmagic Design sesh DaVinci Resolve.resolve.exe. Select the resolve.exe file and click Add. Once added, you will see DaVinci Resolve in your Games and Apps list. You can now optimize settings, enable shadowplay recording, and get better performance while editing. That's it. This is how you can easily add DaVinci Resolve to NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.